Yeah, so hi guys. In this video, we will be the starting solving the problems of stack. The first problem that we are going to solve is balanced brackets. So we are given a string S containing just these characters. These characters are there only in the string. Determine if the string is valid. A string is balanced if the first condition is open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. The second condition is open bracket must be closed in the correct form. Okay, suppose we are given this string, right? So the first thing is it is opened by this what we say uh, brackets, this kind of bracket, same kind of bracket they are closed to. Here it is opened by this curly bracket and closed by the square one. So this is not right, right? So let's have some example to understand it properly. So suppose we have this string, right? So we are given this string and the string will have either of these characters, either this, either this, either this, either this, either this, either this, or last is this, right? So the string will have either of these characters or a combination of these characters, right? So suppose we are given this string, right? So here we have this oval bracket and we have the corresponding same type of closing bracket. Now for this curly braces we are having the same closing bracket, right? So in this case we will return as true or yes, right? Suppose we are given this bracket, right? We can say like this. So here we can close this bracket with this one, but this braces cannot be closed with the square bracket, right? So in this case we will return false or no. Okay, so let's have an example uh, of how we will solve this problem using stack, right? So suppose we are given a string which is this square bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis, and then parenthesis, curly bracket, and square bracket. So this is balanced. But let's have an negative example. Hmm. Suppose we are given this one and this, right? Suppose we are given this example, small example, two square bracket and one oval bracket, right? So the first thing what we will do, if we will see open brackets, if we will see open brackets, which is either this or this, or this. So we will push it to stack. The opening bracket, we will make a push to stack. The second thing what we will do, if either it will be an open bracket or it will be a closing bracket. So if it is a closing bracket, we will have the following scenarios, right? Suppose here the stack, this is our stack, so I will iterate uh, over this string. This is open bracket, so I will make a push into stack. Now I am here, this is a closing, sorry, it's a opening bracket only, so I will push it to stack. Now we are here, so now we are here, so we will check if this bracket, the first closing bracket which we have identified, is matching with the element which is at stack p, the first element in the stack, or not the first, the last element which was pushed into the stack, right? So here you can see there is a mismatch, right? There is a mismatch. So the first condition is mismatch. So we have to identify, if there is an mismatch, then we have to return false or no. Hmm. The second scenario, let me give you one more example. Hmm. The second scenario can be, we have these two brackets and one closing bracket, right? So we will have the stack, iterate over this string, make a push for opening brackets. Now we are here. Now we are here, uh, but we can see, we will check if the stack peak element, we can close this. Surely we can close this, so this will be balanced and we will remove this element from stack, the pop operation. Hmm. Now we are here. Hmm. No, now the string is fully iterated, but the stack is not, the stack is having still some open brackets. It means there is one open bracket corresponding to which we were not able to find its closing bracket. Hmm. So in that case, we have to return false, right? So after iterating the string, we have to check if stack is empty or not. If stack is empty or not. Hmm. Uh, let's have one more example. Suppose the string is, hmm, uh, stack. Yeah. Suppose the string is this. Hmm, I can have this on, right? In this case, we will have one bracket in the stack. We are here. We can close this. No, so this will be out of stack. Now we are here. Now still, since the stack is empty and we are still left with element. So here the stack became empty, and in the previous example we were having some element in the stack, right? So let's have a look at the code, how we are uh, solving this problem. I have already return the code. Hmm. So this is our stack. We are iterating over the string. In ch we have the character at I. If it's opening, then we will uh, push it to stack. Now if the bracket is closing, if the bracket is closing, we have to check uh, first thing that there is some element in stack or not. Uh, and if there is no element, we will return false, because we are having some open uh, closing brackets here. If it's under the else condition, it means we are having some closing bracket, and if the stack is empty, it means we are not having the corresponding opening bracket, so we will return false. The second check which we are doing is of matching, right? We are matching if the stack peak element and the ch current character is of same type or not. So I have this function. So if the open and the close are same type, I will return true, else I will return false. Hmm. So this is the second condition. If it passes both of them, we will pop the element out of stack, right? For this iteration, we whatever was our closing bracket, we got the uh, corresponding opening bracket from the stack. Our stack is not empty and the matching is also correct, same type, right? And after these operation, if our stack is empty, then we will print yes or true, else we will print no. Because there there must be a case where we are having some extra opening brackets, right? This is our opening brackets. We will have three opening brackets in the stack. Hmm, but we have only uh, paired for these two, because we only having these two closing brackets, right? So this one will be left in the stack. In that case, we have to return false. Now, and if this is the scenario, right, where we are matching these two elements successfully, but this type is another and square bracket is another, right? So here the match condition will fail and we will return no or false. Yeah, that's it for video, guys. Thank you for watching.